Hello guys, if you have a local business and you are looking to boost it using Facebook ads, you can adopt this business model. Let's suppose you have a local yoga club where you teach yoga. All you have to do is to create a video of you and your students doing yoga and do some quick interviews with your students, maybe to show some social proof, and then you create a Facebook ads campaign in which you invite people to subscribe for a free session in your club. Of course, it's better to ask them for their emails before they subscribe. And when they come for this free session, you do your best to convince them to continue taking lessons with you. That was the case of one of my clients. For every $100 she put on ads, she had 8 people who subscribed and 5 who showed up to this session. 2 of them became regular customers, paying $100 per month. If we assume a 6 months average subscription length, it means she invested $100 and made $1,200. That's awesome. If you are a restaurant, you can make a limited offer of 15% discount on your pizza. Of course, taking into account the 15% and the price you are putting on Facebook ads, you might be ending losing some money. But don't worry, a lot of people will like your pizza and they might become regular customers. Think about the lifetime value of a customer. That's it for this lecture. Hopefully you understood everything in here. Stay tuned and let's meet in the next one.